Welcome back to the Out Loud English podcast. I'm Jake.
And I'm Mia. We are so happy you're here with us.
Yes, welcome. This is the 5-day Everyday English Challenge, where we practice simple, useful English for your daily life.
And today is day 4. Our topic is talking about the weather.
That's right. It sounds simple, but it's one of the most useful things you can learn for daily conversations. As you listen, remember to speak out loud with us. The more you practice, the more confident you will feel.
Exactly. Let's get started.
So, Mia, why is talking about the weather so important in English?
Well, it's the number 1 topic for small talk.
Small talk. That means those short, friendly conversations you have with people you don't know very well, or when you're just starting a conversation.
Right. You can talk about the weather with almost anyone. Like when you greet a neighbor, you can say, "Good morning, beautiful day, isn't it?"
Totally. Or when you're waiting for a meeting to start with your coworkers.
You can even chat with a cashier at the store. It's really cold out there today.
It's a perfect, easy way to be friendly. You can use it when you're texting a friend, talking about weekend plans, or just describing your day.
It's a simple way to connect with people. And today, we're going to give you the phrases you need to do it confidently.
Hey, Mia.
Hey, Jake.
It's really nice out today.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I was just outside.
It's sunny, but not too hot. Just perfect.
I agree. It's perfect weather for a walk.
Yeah, I think I might sit outside with a book later.
Oh, that sounds so relaxing.
Okay, that was a very natural, everyday conversation. Did you hear those simple phrases?
Let's break them down. The first one, Jake said, "It's really nice out today." This is probably the most common way to talk about good weather.
You can also say it's beautiful outside. It means the same thing. The weather is very pleasant.
Exactly. And when the sun is shining, you can simply say, "It's sunny today." Easy.
Right. I also said it's warm, but not too hot. This is great for those perfect days that are comfortable, not freezing cold, not boiling hot.
That's a great description. Another simple phrase is, "The weather is perfect." You can say this when everything feels just right.
And if you want to talk about how you feel, you can say it feels great outside.
I love that one. And finally, we connect the weather to activities. We said, "It's a good day for a walk," or "It's perfect weather for being outside."
These are all simple, positive phrases you can use to start a conversation with anyone.
Okay, now it's your turn to practice. We want you to repeat these phrases out loud. Remember, speaking is the best way to learn. Are you ready?
It's nice out today.
It's beautiful outside.
It's sunny today.
It's warm, but not too hot.
It feels great outside.
And one more. It's a good day for a walk.
Fantastic job. The more you say these, the more natural they will feel.
That's so true.
All right, but what if the weather isn't so nice? It's just as important to know how to talk about bad or uncomfortable weather.
Definitely. Let's start with rain. The simplest thing to say is, "It's raining."
Right, or if it started in the morning and is still going, you can say it's been raining all morning.
And what if you look outside and the sky is dark and gray? You can say, "It looks like it might rain." This means you think rain is coming soon.
Good one. Now let's talk about cold weather. The most common phrase is, "It's really cold today."
Or if it's very cold, you can say, "It's freezing outside."
Freezing, yeah. And when it's cold, you might say, I need a jacket. This is a great way to comment on the weather and what you're doing about it.
Okay, what about the opposite? Hot weather.
It's really hot today. Or if it's uncomfortable, it's too hot outside.
Mm-hmm. And a natural thing to say when it's hot is, I need some water.
For sure. And what about those other kinds of weather, like wind or clouds?
It's windy today. Or it's pretty cloudy. And if the weather is making you feel a little sad or low energy, you can say, the weather feels kind of gloomy.
Gloomy. That's a great word for a dark, cloudy day. These are all super useful for everyday life.
Okay, let's hear another short, real-life conversation. This time I'll ask Jake about the weather. Hey, Jake, how's the weather there?
Oh, it's been raining all morning.
Oh, no. That sounds gloomy.
Yeah, it is, but it's supposed to clear up later this afternoon.
That's good.
Yeah, maybe we'll get some sun after all.
I hope so.
See? It's another easy, natural conversation. Asking how's the weather there or what's the weather like there is a great way to start talking to someone who lives in a different place.
And notice how we kept the conversation going by talking about how the weather might change. It's not just about now, it's about later, too.
That brings us to our next point, talking about changing weather. The weather doesn't always stay the same all day.
Right, so we need phrases for that. We already heard one, it looks like it might rain. This is for when you are looking at the sky and making a prediction.
But what if you saw the weather forecast on the news or on your phone? Then you would use the phrase, it's supposed to.
Yes, this is so common. You can say, it's supposed to rain later. This means the forecast said it will rain.
Or for good news, it's supposed to clear up. That means the rain will stop and the sky will get clear.
Exactly. And when you see the change happening, you can say things like, the sun is coming out.
Or if the temperature changes, you can say it got colder this afternoon.
Or it warmed up later.
Sometimes the change is very fast. You can say the weather changed quickly.
You can also combine them. For example, it was cold this morning, but now it's warmer. This is a perfect sentence to describe a changing day.
For sure, that phrase, it's supposed to, is one you will hear all the time in English conversations about weather.
It looks like it might rain.
It's supposed to rain later.
It's supposed to clear up.
The sun is coming out.
It got colder this afternoon.
It warmed up later.
Excellent work! You are doing great.
Really great. Keep it up.
Okay, so we know how to describe the weather. The next step is connecting the weather to our plans. People do this all the time.
All the time. For example, you can say, if it's nice, I might go for a walk. You're talking about a possible plan that depends on the weather.
Right, or the opposite. If it rains, I'll stay inside.
You can also use the weather as a reason for not doing something. For example, it's too cold to go out.
Or you can use it as a reason for doing something. It's perfect weather for a coffee.
Ooh, yes. Or on a rainy day, it's a good day to stay home and watch a movie.
Totally. We also talk about things we need because of the weather. Simple things like, I'm going to bring an umbrella.
Or, I should wear a jacket. These sentences are so practical and useful in daily life.
They really are. They show how weather is part of our everyday decisions.
Hey Mia, do you still want to go for that walk later?
Maybe. It looks like it might rain soon.
Oh, good point. The sky is getting darker. We should probably bring an umbrella.
Or we could just wait until it passes. It's supposed to clear up this evening.
That's a better idea. The air will feel so fresh after the rain.
Perfect. Let's go later then.
Okay, before we finish, let's do a quick review of the most useful phrases from today.
It's nice out today. And it's beautiful outside.
It's raining, and the very useful prediction, it looks like it might rain.
It's supposed to rain later.
It's really cold today, or it's really hot today.
It's a good day for a walk, or I should bring an umbrella.
And finally, to ask someone else, what's the weather like there?
Those phrases are your key to starting hundreds of simple English conversations.
And that brings us to the end of day 4 of our 5-day everyday English challenge. You learned how to talk about the weather in natural, confident English.
We are so proud of you for showing up and practicing today. Remember to try the mini challenge again later today. Just look outside and say your 3 sentences out loud.
Tomorrow is our final day, day 5. We'll be covering the evening English challenge with phrases you can use to talk about your evening and end your day.
It's going to be a great way to finish our challenge. Now, for your homework today, we want you to use your new English skills. Go to the comments section and write 1 sentence about today's weather where you live.
Yes, we would love to read them. Just 1 simple sentence. And if you enjoyed this lesson, be sure to subscribe or follow so you don't miss day 5.
Thank you so much for learning with us today on the Out Loud English podcast. Keep practicing.
And we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye for now.
Bye.